going to be a hot one today. 100 and something. It's really like an oven. Yeah. So hot today. I think it's over 105. It's close to 110 degrees today. Oh. And of course my machine doesn't have any air conditioner. Good thing I have my refrigerator, because I'm going to have me some nice cold drink, water or juice. And but first I'm going to take a shower. So maybe while I'm getting some drinks from the cooler, maybe I'll give a... I said cooler again, didn't I? I'm so used to the cooler. It's a refrigerator. It's a nice refrigerator. So while I'm getting a drink from there, maybe I'll give the refrigerator an early review. Why not, right? Yeah. I'm going to... Okay, while I'm down here taking my sneakers off so I can go in the back, here's a trick that I have for you guys that are doing stealth in cities. You have your sneakers or shoes or boots or whatever you have, and you don't want to bring them in the back, right? You come in through the front door, the driver's side door, you park, and you want to leave your shoes in the front, but what do you do with them? I mean, if you leave them like this, right here, somebody walks over, like a police or something, anybody, they see shoes standing right here, like this. You know, that's a telltale sign that somebody's in the back, right? So here's a trick that I've been doing. You just push your shoes, I mean my sneakers will fit. I mean if you have boots they may not fit, but just push them in there, see? Out of the way. I push this one like that. I have to play with it a little bit, like that. And from up here, close from the window, like from window view, they become invisible. You can't see them. Alright, you have to go down here, alright, below the steering wheel to be able to see them. So now you have your shoes or sneakers or small boots out of the way. Okay, nobody can see them. And then whenever you need them, you just go in there like this. All right. Sometimes I use my hands and just bring them right up. Okay. This one I'll have to use my hand, but I don't want to do it right now. So there's an easy trick for you. My refrigerator is running and you can hardly hear it. You hear that? Just barely. I don't even notice this thing running. So let me just do a one-handed removal of this lid here. I just love this lid. How easy it is to remove. So I just did a little shopping and I was a little disappointed in the beginning with the size of this refrigerator slash freezer, but you know, now that I got a half a gallon container of orange juice instead of a gallon, I can fit more stuff in there. So I got some cheese, I got some yogurt, I got some watermelon, I got quite a few cans and bottles of water, I got a couple pears, I got a thing of salad, and that's pretty much what I need. Yeah, if this thing was a little bit wider up to here, I mean, I got all this room here. I got maybe like 6 to 8 inches of room over here. And if it was just a little bit taller, you know, I could set it up on slides just like this here. And I've been thinking of doing the same thing to this one, but because it's so low and I can reach everything in there, I don't really have to. But so far, you know, I've been able to fit pretty much everything I need in there. So the early disappointment of this being so small is, I should say, beginning to dissipate, because I'm getting the hang of this, you know, buying just enough to fit in here. If I was boondocking, then it's a different situation, right? Because then I'm not near a store like I am now. I'm always near any store, so I can always buy more of whatever I need. But if I was boondocking, then a bigger refrigerator, maybe twice as big as this one, that would be really nice. But for now, this is enough. It is sufficient, and I'm loving it. I got cold drinks all the time, every time, not just when I have ice in there. My yogurt is nice and cold, and it's not all mushy and defrosting. You know, it's just such a nice feeling. And right now it's at 35 degrees. I set it to 36, so it's always a little below 36, so it's perfect. When I set it at 34, everything was freezing up. So I think if I could set it at 35, which I don't know how, and I did it in the beginning, but now I don't, because it only goes up even numbers. So it goes up 34, 36, 38, or it goes down 38, 36, 34, 32, 30. But if I could set it for 35, I think it might be a little bit better. But so far, early diagnosis of the Dometic CF35 is one thumb up and the other thumb up. Two thumbs up. Yep. I'm liking it. It's almost 10 o'clock and it's 88 outside and 87 inside. Just about a half hour ago it was like 90 outside. So it's still pretty hot, but I have my fan blowing in and I have the other two fans. You only see one there, there's the other one blowing out. So I am pretty comfortable, even though it's 87 in here, but it's beginning to cool down a little, and hopefully it'll be cool enough as long as the humidity stays below a certain percentage. I'm comfortable enough. Right now it says it's 61 inside, 59 outside, but maybe because the fan is blowing on me it doesn't feel too bad. But I just laid down like half hour ago, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. But right now it's nice and comfortable.